Welcome back to another exciting quick tutorial. Today I've got something super cool for you. We're going to learn how to create a QR code using Python. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on awesome content like this. Let's get started. So what's happening here? We're using the QR code library in Python to generate a QR code. You just need to replace the data variable with the URL or information you want in the QR code. Once you've run the script, it'll create a QR code image named qrcode.png in same folder. You can use this image in your YouTube Shorts or any other content you create. Feel free to customize the parameters like box size and border based on your preferences. And that's it, a simple way to add QR codes to your content. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and stay subscribed for more awesome coding content. Until next time, happy coding!